Hey, Wahala, hey, you see this girl right now, eh? I respect this girl right now. So much respect when I give for this girl right now. Can you imagine? I don't like her before. Symply Tasha, in case you don't know who they shout just now, I'll come and play you the full video. Who they shout just now? Symply Tasha. They are just the agitate, say make everybody wear their PVC, made up for 50 votes. They are right of people we want to come our president this next year. So, and if you don't see this video right now, say I can't tell me say you no want vote, say you know they vote, say you no want collect your PVC, say your vote not the count, and I'm gonna go punish you. Because let me say better thing, you don't get better thing for head. That's my because this get defy rain. The rain they fall, she entire rain they talk about PVC. And are you not tired of seeing how those leaders when say their money say belle not the food them, say their belle not the food, say they don't the belle food, say they want just the chop. So right now, I'm so much in love with this girl because right now she just hits the nail here like for real. And so many of our celebrities when they come out, they talk about this stuff we go call it PVC. I see my brother there, brother Solo, I cite you. Make you go police center where for they collect PVC. You see some people stay queue, you buy them food and they chop. Brother, I hear you. So right now, say everybody, let's fight together and let's vote a better president. I'm not saying me you vote for a social candidate, so not just for you to follow your PVC, me you vote for who you want to vote for. The video will soon be coming up. For all those boys, all those men, all those girls, when they want to be they got distraction by Kelly, that girl where they shake and yeah, show they do. All those girls when one be distraction, when I want call her PVC, when I come being go they looking at that small girl when you get small and make that girl yash they sharp. So I guess you don't know who be Kelly, make you see the video. You don't see the video now, you see the Kelly right now. So that girl yash not bad though. Right now, guess now we go to do yash so June. I don't see the way yash be right now. I don't see the way yash be. I know they talk about how I want to get big yash again. I want to get this curve. Yes. Even the boys when though they talk about Kelly, make cool now all color na PVC when I call PVC when I leave Yash. This get their country now. They try to survive how she wanted. They do a TikTok, they do the TikTok. So make we face our PVC, make we face our presidential stuff. This is just full up. The video is coming up. So I beg make una subscribe. Not take on anything, but it will help me. Make una subscribe, comment, like, share, and press the notification bell so you can be seeing my new videos. Ciao, man.